Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. This is finally my room tour. As you can see, it is a very pink and purple and girly aesthetic, which is totally me. I have put a lot of work into this. It took about 2 years to finally get it done, and I'm so excited to show you guys the end result. This is my room tour. In front of my bed, I have this bench. This is actually where I film a lot of my videos, and I also put my slippers underneath it. I just have an extra blanket in case I get cold. My comforter is from Macy's, and the aesthetic is very pinks and purples, which is very girly for me. I love it. Most of my pillows are for Pier 1, a few hand-me-downs, and a few gifts as well. Again, I just love the extra little details on every little pillow. And this is from Home Furniture, and my bed is also from Home Furniture as well. I got this crystal lamp from Macy's. It's very girly and very simple but effective. I love it, so cute. And this little storage, I just put whatever books and things in there. And I got this curtain from Crate & Barrel. It's a peachy color and it's see-through, so that when the light shines in the morning, it's perfect. Alright, so I spend a lot of my time on my bed reading, watching Netflix, chilling, and I just love my bed. It's super comfortable, and it was actually my first big girl purchase, so I love my bed. And I do a lot of sleeping, especially after work. So while I'm sleeping, I'm going to show you my vanity area. I got this lamp from Tuesday Morning. And this vanity is actually from my great-grandmother who gave it to my mother, so I cherish it. I just have little knickknacks. I put my pins so I don't lose it everywhere, and the succulent because I can't take care of plants. And here's just some details of my vanity. I do like to read a lot of biographies, especially with strong females. And it just inspires me to be a better person and be a better leader. Hello, there you are. There I am. And here's just a mirror also that goes with the vanity. I have this cute little chair my mom gave me, and it just goes really well with the vanity set. Alright, wiki. So I guess it's time to get dressed. Alright, so this closet may look like it's very unorganized, but actually it's very organized. I have my whole life in here. I live with my parents, so I don't have, a lot of storage space. But once I have my own place, it'll be much easier. But it has lots of shelving, lots of storage space. It's a great walk-in closet, and I just have a lot of stuff as well. But I do love a lot of colorful things, as you guys can see, and I have a lot of shoes because I love shoes. Alright, so now for my storage space, I have this high boy, which I just have, underwear and workout stuff, whatever is comfy I put in there. And I just love this color. It's so rich, it's beautiful, it matches everything in my room. And I have this storage for my jewelry. I have a lot of jewelry, as you can see, and this really helps me keep organized. And this is a bit of a mess. Again, I have lots of colors. I just love jewelry, so I have a lot of it, and I haven't organized it. But, it helps me not lose everything. And this is oh my gosh, I love this painting. It's gorgeous. I've always been in love with like a Frida Kahlo look, and it's called Warrior Girl. I got it off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. But the colors are gorgeous, and it just makes me feel like I can conquer this day every morning when I wake up, and this day is going to be great. So now to my bathroom. I do have my own bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill because there's a room to the left. Again, lots of pinks and purples and just lots of girliness. So I have 2 sinks. I don't use one, obviously. And I got this little tray off of Amazon. I love the crystals. It's just the right amount of space. And I just have a lot of perfumes and cutesy things that go with the aesthetic. I got this plant at Target. It's just so beautiful. And I got this off of Amazon. And I have this little medicine cabinet. I just store whatever I store in there, my face products. And I have, again, more storage. You guys saw this in my vlogs. Hair products, makeup products in there. And this is my water closet where I have my shower and the toilet. Nothing super interesting. So my vanity, I don't actually use it for like makeup and hair. I use it for more of an office. I like to write my planner every week to keep myself organized and to know what I'm doing every week. It really keeps me on track, and I pretty much write everything or I'm just gonna forget. I just have a really active brain, and I also watch Netflix sometimes on here. And that is the end of the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and comment down below on what was your favorite piece in my room. I'll see you guys in the next video, and you have a great day.